welcome to our 13th Android tutorial. So in this tutorial we can discuss with how to create a splash screen application in Android. Okay, so first of all, to create a splash screen we need to create the XML file. So to create XML file we need to go for a layout folder. So under layout folder we need to create an XML file, because what happens in Android applications all XML files store under layout folder itself. Okay, so your main.xml file is also there. So for the purpose you need to go for right click on layout folder, just go for a new, so the new, select other, and over here I need to select Android XML file, click on next. Okay, so over here what we need to do is resource type must be layout. Okay, because I'm going to put my XML file under layout resource. Okay, that means a layout of folder which is nothing but under resource. Okay, and the project name is myproj, and the file name we must specify splash. Okay, so the file name must have the small characters only, because XML files XML file names does not accept upper cases. Okay, so if suppose I am going to put this S in capital, what happens? So you will be seeing some error here. File based resource names must contain only lowercase. Okay, so that's why I put small case only to create XML files. Okay, and also the extension is also updated.xml, something like this. Okay, this Android application will automatically takes extension for this one. Okay, so this environment automatically creates an extension for this splash XML file. Okay, so here I need to go for finish it. Okay, so once we finished with this splash.xml file, what happens? We will be having this layout. Okay, graphic layout over here, and also the splash.xml file is also there, which is nothing but coding over here, XML coding. Okay, so go for your graphic layout. So in this graphic layout what we need to do is we need to put some image to this background, because what happens, the splash screen always consists of background images. Okay, so it is just for presentation for the user, so where the application is supposed to be, which will instruct the application is starting. Okay, which will stays around some 3 to 4 or 5 seconds on the screen, and exits or terminates there itself. Okay, after displaying this splash. Okay, so for that purpose we need to put some image onto this background. Okay, to put the image on this background we need to create one image. Okay, so as per our requirement we need to create our image. Okay, so I have created an image over here already. It's called pic. Okay, so this is the image I have selected, something like this one. So I need to put this image under workspace. Okay, copy this image and go for documents, and over there workspace, and over there you need to go for your project myproj. Double click on this one. So I'll go for resources, and resources go for a drawable. So over there you need to paste this one. Okay, so after pasting this pic.jpg, so close this one, come to your project, your Eclipse. So click on this drawable. You are not going to see this pic.jpg, because we need to update this project right now. So to update or to reconfigure this entire project, we need to go for a project clean. Okay, so we need to clean this one. So once we click on clean, what happens? We will be having pic.jpg over here. Okay, we need to put this pic.jpg to the background of this screen. That's it. Okay, so go for this XML coding. Okay, so splash.xml will be edited with only one line. So Android.background. Okay, I need to go for a background. So where I need to put at drawable / pic. Okay, pic. So there is no need for extension pic.jpg or something like this. Okay, you need to simply specify at drawable pic. Okay, save this one. So when we are saving this one, what happens? We got something like under graphic layout. We'll be having this XML file onto this background, but here it is not displaying over here. Okay, no problem. Now once it is configured, it will be displayed, no problem. So we can see our R.Java application over here. Alright, we will be having that pic ID for that pic. Okay, so but here, so the image is not yet loaded. Okay, so it's not updated image here. We need to restart this Eclipse. Okay, So no need to restart in every environment, but here there is some problem with my Eclipse. Okay, so no problem, you can restart this one. You can start this. Reloading with this splash screen right now. Alright, it was loaded directly right now. Okay, so see here, go for your splash.xml file. So it's just reloaded right now, this application. So this after this this background, what happens, it will simply fix this image to this background. Okay, so this is what actually this splash.xml file. Okay. Alright, okay. So we need to create what actually the .java application to access this splash.xml file. Okay. So in the next tutorial we can see how to create a splash.java application to access this splash screen onto the emulator. Okay. Thanks for watching this tutorial.